2 decades, we've honed one core expertise: unwavering focus, core components from swing screw extruders, from benchmarking to competing on the global stage. LESUN Screw, powering global compounding with the resilience of Made in China. LESUN proudly presents a comprehensive product portfolio: screw elements, shafts, and barrels. From large-scale production of standard parts to tailor-made solutions, every part is built in a mature manufacturing system, ensuring both efficiency and high quality. Through rigorous process controls, we ensure seamless integration between our components and your extrusion systems, empowering compounding lines worldwide with lasting and reliable performance. What we deliver is never just a screw. We provide profound solutions in polymer compounding technology. With a database of over 10,000 specifications, we push the limits of material performance. From precision screw machining to advanced configuration optimization, we have built a fully integrated R&D system. 0.01 mm defines our absolute commitment to precision. Superior wear and corrosion resistance exemplify our expert response to the most demanding operational environments. At LESUN, data speaks volumes, and reliability is our paramount principle. Built on the wealth of product and application intelligence, we offer end-to-end technical support, rapidly matching optimal material solutions to diverse modification processes. Our commitment extends beyond the sale, focusing on optimizing your equipment's total lifecycle value. Collaborating with industry leaders in plastics, food, and pharmaceuticals, we proudly serve a global clientele. Premium quality, delivering true value. Crafting precision with integrity. Time, validating our excellence. LESUN Screw, a force destined to be unmatched.